Today in this video, we discuss how to cultivate a mindset that's open to learning and growth. So let's start the video. A 2019 study from Stanford University followed students across multiple school districts in the US and found something fascinating. The students who believed their abilities could improve through effort, what researchers call a growth mindset, not only performed better academically, but also reported lower levels of stress and anxiety. Now here's the twist. This isn't just true for school kids. Adults with a growth mindset adapt faster to change, are more resilient at work, and are better equipped to face life's toughest moments. So, what does it take to cultivate a mindset that's truly open to learning and growth? Let's break it down into 5 practical shifts you can start making today. Point 1, redefine failure from setback to feedback. In American culture, failure is often viewed as something shameful or final. But listen to how Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx, was raised. Every week, her father would ask, "What did you fail at this week?" And if she had nothing to report, he'd be disappointed. Why? Because failure meant she was trying. This reframing builds one of the most powerful muscles of a growth mindset, resilience. Instead of seeing a failed project, a lost job, or a rejected pitch as personal flaws, start seeing them as feedback. Ask yourself, what did I learn from this? What can I do differently next time? Every failed attempt is actually progress, as long as you're reflecting, not retreating. Point 2, replace "I'm not good at this" with "I'm not good at this yet." Carol Dweck, the psychologist who pioneered growth mindset research, talks about the power of one small word, yet. "I'm not good at math" becomes "I'm not good at math yet." "I can't speak in public" becomes "I can't speak in public yet." Adding "yet" creates space for growth. It signals to your brain that the journey is ongoing and not fixed in failure. Neuroscience backs this up. The brain remains plastic, able to form new neural connections well into adulthood, but only when we keep trying. So next time you hit a wall, don't quit, just add "yet." Point 3, curate your environment for growth. Motivational speaker Jim Rohn famously said, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." If your circle mocks learning, avoids change, or labels effort as trying too hard, it'll drag your mindset down like quicksand. Surround yourself with people who are curious, hungry to grow, and open to challenge. Join communities, online or offline, where learning is celebrated, not ridiculed. Whether it's a local entrepreneur meetup in Austin, a tech workshop in San Francisco, or a book club in Boston, your environment silently shapes your mindset. The more growth-oriented energy you absorb, the more it becomes your default operating system. Point 4, seek discomfort on purpose. When Navy SEALs train, they deliberately put themselves into high-stress, uncertain situations. Why? Because growth only happens at the edge of comfort. The same rule applies in everyday life. Take the harder route at work. Sign up to speak when you'd rather stay quiet. Read books that challenge your beliefs. Start that blog, even if your first posts feel awkward. Discomfort is not a threat, it's an invitation. And every time you accept it, you expand what you're capable of. Point 5, celebrate progress, not just outcomes. A mindset open to learning and growth doesn't happen overnight. It's a daily practice of embracing failure, shifting self-talk, seeking challenge, and staying patient with progress. Keep growing. The future rewards those who do.